This is your channel, Your Celebrity Today. We bring for you different stories about your celebrities. Like and subscribe to watch more videos. Gone are the days when we had December massive parties hosted by Ugandans living and working in the diaspora. Among these were the Zari All-White Party, Ivan Semwanga's Rich Gang Party, and Don Zera's Girl Power, and others. This December, only one event was hosted by socialite Don Bahati Rubega, and this took place last night at Club Governor. The party that was hosted on Boxing Day, dubbed Money and Fame, brought together fun. Don Bahati gave a speech and it was apparently invited and perhaps paid by Bahati to show her face. During the night, while the whole club was having fun, Don Bahati gave a speech, and it was when he talked about an upcoming artist called Carl Famous, who did a song praising him. Still talking on the microphone, he mentioned about Bad Black, no longer rich and has no money. This angered Bad Black, who then hit him with wine glass. According to Don Bahati, he was begged to allow Bad Black attend the party, but he doesn't know why she hit him with the glass. He thinks she's frustrated for being broke. He said, "I didn't make Bad Black broke, and she just hate herself. It is not my problem to be rich. I work hard and advise her to also go and work hard," said by Bahati, who filed a case against Bad Black this morning. Bahati filed the case from Ginger Police Station under LEF 022712 Thank you for watching.
Nze bansabye nsikize Bad Black. Nze sina buzibu naye. Esente z'abadde mbiika. Esente zaki? Esente zinabadde nze nazo ogabira abantu nzibawadde ze nabagamba. Emmotoka njigabye. Abadde njaga zaki sinze yamwavuwaza. Siganywa bayagala mawulire agakoze. Nize simwavuwazangako. Ate simulagira okwavuwala. Adde mwana onye ssente. Ajja kuba bulungi ne naffe wetuli. Ffe tuli bakozi. Agume. Sijja kudda mwoyo era sirikirasi ye. Oba mwavu aguma anonye ssente zisiringa ye. Kati wema nsobola okukera ku makya n'ennyambala essaawa ya $1,407,000. Kati ate ngabye emmotoka ssente nzigabye ekeki nzisaze. Kati ate nze ne Bad Black ate kati ebisigadde byonna leka tubikwase poliisi nga bannamateeka bagonjola ensonga n'ezisira ekyengagala naye Bad Black. Saategedde nti nno babalabe bange bamusikumye n'abalabe bange balaka bayise mu Bad Black akuma ekyo ekyomukisa omulungi tukikubya ate era tuwangula.